What's going on, everybody? Coming to you live once again from the whip. I'm about to go ahead and pick my lady up right now, but I had this thought on my head today, and while the idea was fresh, while my thoughts were fresh, I wanted to share it all with you guys. And I just want to ask y'all one question. How many of you are struggling with finding your purpose right now? Raise your hand right now. Like, yes, I'm struggling finding my purpose. Like, you really don't know your purpose here on this earth. You really don't know what you should be doing. You really don't know what you're currently doing right now, if that's supposed to be the thing that God put you here for, or if that's the thing that your life was really supposed to be about. And I'm here to give somewhat of an answer. I'm no genie. I'm not going to sit here and tell you like, yeah, your purpose is this, you should be doing this, because that's something that we all as individuals got to find out. But I believe that all of our purposes, those lie within our passions. So in other words, whatever it is that we love to do, that's where we find out what our purpose here on this earth is. For instance, I'll use me as an example. I love, working out. I've always been a big sports guy. I've always been, someone who was just super active, right? So I chose to pursue the career that I'm in right now, which is being a personal trainer, fitness coach, whatever you want to call me. I am that now. And if I didn't choose to pursue that passion of mine, I would never have found out that my purpose, and this is just my belief, my purpose here on this earth is to help and encourage people. Or in other words, bring that energy, because people in the world struggle with bringing positive energy. Not everybody, but there are a lot of people out there who are just down in the dumps and they need a quick pick me up, or they need somebody to tell them, hey, you all that in a bag of chips and you can do this. I feel that that's my purpose here on this earth, but I don't think I ever would have found that out had I not pursued my passion. So to bring it all around full circle, pursue your passion. If you don't know what you're passionate about, whatever it is that you love to do, figure it out. Try some new things if you don't know already. And if you do know, you should be following your passion and pursuing that thing every single day, so we can find out our purpose, man. Life is too short. We want to make sure that our life means something to not only ourselves, but the people around us that love and care for us dearly, man. Y'all have a super fantastic day today. Let's go.